Hello everyone, and welcome back as we take a look at our next pose, Savasana. Savasana is the final resting pose in yoga, a posture of complete release. It invites the body to integrate everything you've done, settle your nervous system, and shift into deep rest. Even though it looks simple, it's one of the most powerful poses for calming the mind and restoring balance. There are many ways to explore Savasana, as you can see in these cards in front of you from the Trauma Informed Yoga Affirmation card deck. You can choose, if it feels comfortable for you to do so, to lie on your back and simply keep your legs long out in front of you. If you want to, you can also rest a bolster or a pillow underneath your knees, or like in the first card, just raise your knees to where it feels most comfortable. You can rest your hands down at your sides or place them over your stomach or even over your heart. You could even choose to lay on your side, as you see in the second picture here. And if you want to use a bolster or a pillow or cushion again to rest your arm and your leg over, that is perfectly okay to do so. Again, this is your pose, your practice. Make sure it is comfortable for you. Another way to be able to do this is what you see in the third picture, where you're just simply laying on the ground and you have your legs up in a chair. If you want to, you can even choose to put a small pillow under your head in any of these poses, or roll up a blanket and put it directly under your neck. If you prefer grounding during this exercise, place a light blanket over your body, or maybe even use a weighted blanket or a sandbag across your hips. There is no one right way to rest. Choose the shape that lets your body feel safe, supported, and at ease. Take a moment now and choose the version of Savasana that feels most supported for your body today. Once you've settled into your chosen position, allow your body to soften into the support beneath you. Feel the weight of your body being held, your heels or legs, your hips, your shoulders, your head. Let your arms rest wherever they feel most natural, palms up or palms down. Take a slow breath in and a long, gentle breath out. With each exhale, imagine your body sinking a little deeper into the surface below you, as if the earth is quietly saying, "I've got you." Notice the places where your body makes contact with the ground or props beneath you. Let those points of contact remind you that you don't have to hold yourself up right now. Let your jaw soften. Let your tongue rest. Let your shoulders melt away from your ears. If thoughts drift in, let them pass like clouds moving across the sky. You don't need to chase them or push them away. Just return to the feeling of your breath. Let your breath be unhurried. Let your body be unguarded. Let this moment be enough. As you continue your pose, take a moment to repeat the following affirmations and mantras, or simply listen to me as I read them out loud. I deserve peace. Every time I intentionally choose rest, I know that I am healing, I am held, I am supported. I honor myself for showing up. I know so often that is the hardest part. If you wish to do so, choose one of these mantras or affirmations and quietly repeat them to yourself. Again, just letting your breath be unguarded and letting your body soften. Stay here for a few more slow, easy breaths, resting, receiving, releasing. This is where we will end our practice together today. However, you can choose to stay here for as long as you wish. When you're ready to return, begin with the smallest movements. A wiggle of your fingers, a soft stretch of your toes, a slow roll of your head. If you're lying on your back, bend your knees or roll gently to one side. And allow yourself to pause there for a moment, letting your body transition. Then press yourself up slowly, lifting your head last, carrying the calm of this rest with you. Thank you for joining me again today. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Take care.